Welcome to this quick tutorial on using the rgeoboundaries package. If you ever needed to retrieve administrative boundaries for a different region worldwide, rgeoboundaries provide a simple and efficient way to access these datasets. Let's get started. So you can install this package directly from GitHub. So as I have already installed it, I will go ahead and load rgeoboundaries and tidyverse. rgeoboundaries provide this function where we can access different levels of administrative boundaries. So if you go down there here, in this function you need to specify the country where you want to look, where you want to have the boundary. Be sure to go on Google and find the acronym for your specific country. Those countries are ISO 3. So you need to have the right combination of letters for your specific country. So, with that being said, we can access different levels of administrative boundary. With the GBADM 0, we can access the global country boundary. So, for Canada, that look like this. We have one multi-polygon for all the Canada. And if we plot this, we're going to have only the borders of Canada. For the level 1, we also get the boundaries for the province. And if you want to go to level 2, if you want to have the administrative region for each province in Canada, you can go with level 2, which gives you every division that there is in Canada. Try to plot this. We're having the shapefile for the boundaries of Canada with the province and the region. And if you don't need all that, you can choose to filter by shape name. So for example, if I want to filter shape name and extract only the boundaries for Edmonton, I can do that with a simple filter function, and I've got only the multi-polygon for this division, which look like this. So if you remember, in the help section, I show you the level 0, 1, and 2. You can also go to 3, 4, and 5, depending on what kind of level you need, what kind of precision you need. So that's it for this tutorial on rgeoboundaries. Whether you need national, regional, or local boundaries, rgeoboundaries make it easy to access the data. I hope you found this helpful. Happy coding!